Hello.
Hi, welcome to the bike share. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to ask about returning a bike late.
You want to ask about returning a bike late? Sure. Did you return your bike late?
Yes, I returned it 1 hour late.
You returned it 1 hour late. That's okay, but there is a small late fee.
I not know about the fee.
You didn't know about the fee? No problem. It is $2 for each hour late.
How I pay the fee?
How do I pay the fee? You can pay here at the desk or online.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I will return the bike on time next time.
That's great. Thank you for using the bike share.
I am happy to ride in the city.
Wonderful. Have a safe ride next time.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the refill station. Can I help you?
Yes, I want refill my dish soap bottle.
You want to refill your dish soap bottle. Yes, we can do that here.
I not refill dish soap before.
You have not refilled dish soap before. No problem. Just give me your clean bottle.
How much soap I can take?
How much soap can I take? You can fill your whole bottle.
What kind of soap you have?
What kind of soap do you want? We have lemon and unscented.
I want lemon soap, please.
Great. I will fill your bottle now.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try refilling.
That's wonderful. Refilling helps the planet. Come back anytime.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the upcycling market. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to know about handmade bags.
You want to know about handmade bags? Yes, we have many here.
I not buy handmade bag before.
You have not bought a handmade bag before. No problem. They are special and good for the environment.
What are they made from?
They are made from old clothes and fabric.
Are they strong?
Yes, they are strong and last a long time.
How much one bag cost?
One bag is $10.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to buy a handmade bag.
That's wonderful. Enjoy your new bag and thank you for supporting upcycling.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Rooftop Reading Club. Can I help you?
Yes, I want join book group.
You want to join a book group? That's great. We meet every Friday evening.
I not join book group before.
You have not joined a book group before? No problem. We love new members.
What kind of books you read?
We read many kinds, stories, novels, and sometimes poems.
Do I need bring my own book?
Yes, please bring your book, or you can borrow one from us.
How long is the meeting?
The meeting is about 1 hour.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to read with others.
That's wonderful. Reading together is fun. See you Friday.
Hello.
Hi, welcome to the Digital Help Desk. Can I help you?
Yes, I want set up Wi-Fi at home.
You want to set up Wi-Fi at home? No problem. Do you have a router?
I not know what is router.
You don't know what a router is? It is a small box that gives you Wi-Fi.
I have a box with lights at home.
That is your router. Do you have internet service?
Yes, I have internet, but Wi-Fi not work.
Your Wi-Fi does not work? I can help you. Did you try to restart the router?
No, I not try that.
Try to turn it off and on. Sometimes it helps.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to get help.
That's great. Come back if you need more help.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the podcast event. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to be a guest on the podcast.
That's great. What would you like to talk about?
I not be on podcast before.
You have not been on a podcast before? No problem. We help new guests.
Do I need to prepare something?
Yes, please think about your topic and some ideas to share.
How long I will speak?
How long will I speak? About 10 minutes.
Is it okay if my English not perfect?
Yes, it's okay. Your English is good and you are learning.
I am a little nervous.
Don't worry. We are friendly and will help you.
Thank you. I am happy to try.
That's wonderful. You will do great on the podcast.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the garden. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to borrow some gardening tools.
You want to borrow some gardening tools? Yes, we have many tools here.
I not borrow tools before.
You have not borrowed tools before? No problem. I can show you how.
What tools can I take?
You can take a shovel, rake, or watering can.
Do I need to pay?
No, borrowing tools is free for everyone.
How long I can keep the tools?
How long can I keep the tools? Please return them by the end of the day.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to work in the garden.
That's wonderful. Enjoy gardening and have a great day.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the thrift market. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to buy a winter coat.
You want to buy a winter coat? Yes, we have many here.
I not buy coat here before.
You have not bought a coat here before? No problem. I can show you the coat section.
Thank you. Do you have small size?
Yes, we have small, medium, and large sizes.
How much one coat cost?
One coat is $15.
Are the coats warm?
Yes, they are very warm and good for cold weather.
My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to find a coat.
That's great. Enjoy your new coat and stay warm.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the candle workshop. Can I help you?
Yes, I want to make a colored candle.
You want to make a colored candle? That's great. We have many colors to choose from.
I not make candle before.
You have not made a candle before? No problem. I will show you how.
What I need to start?
What do I need to start? Just pick a color and a mold.
Can I mix two colors?
Yes, you can mix two colors to make a new one.
How long it take to finish?
How long does it take to finish? About 1 hour to make and cool.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try something new.
That's wonderful. Your candle will look beautiful.
Hello?
Hi, welcome to the chess club. Can I help you?
Yes, I want learn chess rules.
You want to learn chess rules? That's great. Are you new to chess?
Yes, I not play chess before.
You have not played chess before. No problem. I can teach you the basics.
Is chess hard to learn?
No, it is easy to start. We begin with how the pieces move.
What I do first?
First, learn the names of the pieces: king, queen, rook, bishop, knight, and pawn.
How I win the game?
How do I win the game? You win by checkmating the king.
Thank you. My English not perfect.
Your English is good. You are learning.
I am happy to try chess.
That's wonderful. Let's play and have fun.